Welcome to the TxPROS tutorial, Navigating the Map in TxPROS. This video was produced by the Texas Department of Motor Vehicles, Motor Carrier Division for users of the Texas Permitting and Routing Optimization System, also known as TxPROS. The TxPROS Map feature functions similarly to Google Maps. You can switch between Map View and Satellite View using the buttons located in the top left corner of the map. Each view includes additional options. In Map View, you will see a terrain feature that you can turn on or off by checking or unchecking the box. In Satellite View, you'll have the option to toggle labels the same way. You can also use the Pegman tool by clicking and dragging the peg onto any road highlighted in blue. To return to the main map screen, click the back arrow in the top left corner. There are also features unique to the TxPROS Map that differ from Google Maps. One of these is the ability to turn the on-system roads coloring on or off. These roads are highlighted in green and represent state-maintained roadways. In TxPROS, only state-maintained roads can be used for routing oversize or overweight loads, so it's important to have this layer visible when planning your route. Another TxPROS-specific feature is the ability to toggle restriction coloring, which appears in red. This helps you quickly identify roadways that are restricted for the size and weight of the load being permitted. If your generated route doesn't follow your preferred highways, it may be due to a movement restriction. After the route is generated, you may see red highlighted segments on the map indicating these restricted areas. To view detailed information about a specific restriction, click the Get Restriction Information for Road button located just above the map. Be sure to zoom in closely so you can accurately select the correct segment of roadway. Click directly on the road in question, and a dialog box will appear. This box will show the highway name, followed by the restriction details and any additional conditions that may apply. Keep in mind that the red highlighted restrictions are based on your current load's dimensions and weight. However, when you select a roadway segment, the system will display all restrictions for that segment, regardless of your current load. This feature is a valuable tool for identifying the most efficient and compliant route. Once you have finished reviewing the restriction information, simply click Close to return to your application. Other map options include the ability to display county and district boundary lines. When you check the counties option, all county lines will appear in red on the TxPROS map. Selecting the districts option will display all district lines in blue. As with other map features, you can turn these lines off at any time by simply unchecking the boxes. The final map feature is called Map Camera Controls. This opens a set of manual navigation tools. You will see plus and minus buttons to zoom in and out, and arrow buttons to move the map in different directions. However, all these actions can also be done with your mouse. Just click and drag the map to move it and use your scroll wheel to zoom in and out quickly. This concludes the tutorial on navigating the map in TxPROS. For more information and additional tutorial videos, visit the Texas Department of Motor Vehicles website at www.txdmv.gov and enter the keyword TxPROS in the search bar.